Gentle-free early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, weather-wise, a really nice Thursday is underway across Connecticut, enjoying sunshine and temperatures that are finally trending a bit milder. Keep in mind our normal high for this time of year is 71 for the 14th day of May, and here in the noon hour, we're in the low 60s across interior portions of the state and mid and upper 50s along the shoreline. Cooler along the coast because of a southerly component to the wind. It's not too terribly strong, but around 5 to 10 miles an hour. That's going to get stronger tonight behind a warm front that's going to send even warmer and even muggier air into the state as we close out the week tomorrow. So for this afternoon, forecasting temperatures to top out in the mid and upper 60s inland and between 60 and 65 along the shoreline. We may come close to 70 in a couple of spots inland in the next couple of hours. So as we look westward, you can clearly see we do have a storm system heading in our general direction. Initially, we're going to have a warm front that moves in tonight, and then that will bring us our initial or first round of rain and storms. Then by tomorrow afternoon, more or less tomorrow evening, I should say, there's a threat for some thunderstorms that could be strong, potentially severe, as a cold front moves through. So in anticipation of all this, the Storm Prediction Center, and they monitor the entire country for the threat for severe weather. You can see that yellow bullseye that does include a good part of Connecticut, points north and west from us, and the risk area for tomorrow with thunderstorms as they make their way into the region from areas to our west. So the biggest concern is going to be perhaps gusty, damaging wind, also some heavy rain that could lead to poor visibility and also some poor drainage flooding. Hail is certainly a possibility, and there's a possibility as well in the region that we could see an isolated tornado or two. So that's why we're in early warning weather alert mode. We've got that on the 7-day forecast to give you that extra heads up that we do have some inclement weather that's going to be moving in as we head into the upcoming weekend. So here's how it all plays out on FUTURECAST as we head through the rest of this afternoon. Clouds will generally be on the increase, dimming the sun a bit this evening. And then overnight tonight, initially with a warm front, you can see some scattered showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms as we head toward around daybreak tomorrow. Then there's going to be a pretty big lull through the middle part of the day tomorrow. And highs tomorrow will be very much dependent upon how much clearing we see, how much sunshine pops out, and also how much sunshine will also kind of dictate or influence how much of a severe weather threat there will be by tomorrow evening. So as we head towards, say, 5 p.m. tomorrow, you can see maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two here across southern New England, but that cold front off to our northwest, you can see the line of storms there. That's going to be moving in as we head toward sunset tomorrow with those storms as they make their way into southern New England. And then this storm system is out of here for the upcoming weekend, which is certainly good timing and great news for us. So still mild on Saturday. Partly to mostly sunny, highs still in the mid-70s inland and along the shoreline as that wind becomes more northwesterly, filtering drier air into the state. Then Sunday, cooler than Saturday, highs between 65 and 70. We may have some late day showers on Sunday, and then we're going to be entering a period of cooler, wet weather. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, on and off chances for rain. At times it could be heavy, and look at those highs only ranging from the upper 50s into the lower 60s. Shoreline highs this weekend, 74 on Saturday, 64 on Sunday. That's the very latest early warning 7-day forecast.